Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 15 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data simply for checking, but if you'll decide to download the update, I highly recommend switching into the Wi-Fi so you can avoid some charges. Alright, so let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to tap on About Phone. Now let's simply tap on this Xiaomi HyperOS, and your device will simply check for the updates, and basically you will be able to meet two different scenarios. As you can see, we have to be logged into this Xiaomi account. Without it, we won't be able to check it. But the first scenario, after of course logging in, is that your device is up to date and there's nothing to download. And the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.